Ever heard the phrase, the real McCoy? You might use it to talk about something that's the genuine article, the real deal. But did you know that phrase comes from an actual person? A brilliant inventor named Elijah McCoy. His story is one of pure genius and a game changer for the entire industrial world. Elijah McCoy was born in 1844 in Ontario, Canada. His parents were true heroes. They had escaped slavery in the United States through the Underground Railroad and built a new life for their family. Growing up, Elijah was fascinated by machines. He had a natural talent for understanding how things worked. So his parents sent him all the way to Scotland to study mechanical engineering. Think about that commitment back in the 1800s. After finishing his education, he moved to the United States, ready to put his skills to work. But despite his incredible qualifications, he faced a lot of prejudice and could only find a job as a railroad fireman and oiler. This job was tough and dangerous. At the time, trains and factory machines had to be stopped completely just so someone could manually apply oil to all the moving parts. Imagine stopping a massive locomotive, climbing all over it, and carefully oiling every single joint by hand. It was inefficient, time-consuming, and slowed everything down. But for Elijah, this problem was an opportunity. He saw a better way. In his spare time, he tinkered and experimented. And in 1872, he invented a device that would change everything, an automatic lubricator. It was a small cup that would drip oil onto the engine's moving parts while it was still running. No more stopping, no more manual labor. It was revolutionary. His invention was so effective that it made trains run faster, more efficiently, and for longer periods without needing maintenance. Factories could operate non-stop, dramatically increasing production. Other inventors tried to copy his design, but their versions were never as good. When companies were buying new equipment, they learned to ask, is it the real McCoy? To make sure they were getting the authentic, high-quality invention from Elijah himself. And that's how the famous phrase was born. Elijah McCoy didn't just stop there. He went on to secure more than 50 patents for his inventions, including a portable ironing board and a lawn sprinkler. He was a true pioneer whose ingenuity literally kept the wheels of progress turning. His story is a powerful reminder that with persistence and a brilliant mind, one person can truly change the world. So next time you hear someone say the real McCoy, you'll know the incredible story behind it. It's a tribute to a Canadian-born black inventor who overcame incredible odds to make our modern world possible. If you enjoyed learning about this hidden figure in history, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Legacy Lab for more stories like this. Let me know in the comments which modern invention you think deserves the real McCoy stamp of approval. Thanks for watching!